Ariana is waiting for a train. The amount of time before the next train arrives is represented by the variable x, and x is uniformly distributed for values between 4 and 11 minutes. So A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 11. What is the probability that Ariana waits between 5 and 11 minutes? So the probability is equal to the area under the curve from 5 to 11. So that's the shaded region. So we want to find the length and the height, or the width, of the shaded region. So the length is 11 minus 5, which is 6, and the width, or the height, is 1 over 7. And we want to multiply these, so 6 times 1 over 7 is 0.8571. What is the average time for how long she will wait? So we no longer care about the shaded region, we are looking at the entire uniform distribution, so from 4 to 11. So the average is equal to 4 plus 11 over 2, which is 7.5 minutes. The standard deviation is equal to 11 minus 4 over the square root of 12, and that's 2.02 minutes.